I never thought that I'll come to this place again in my life. But here I am today, again in this place. The same place, not the same time. Last time like it was all foggy, and this time again we planned to come in the same place because last time we didn't see it. So first thing I want to say you about Laitlam. When you visit Laitlam, you must choose the season wisely. It should be summer, or maybe you can also visit in the last winter when the winter will be over, just like us, because otherwise you cannot see the mountains clearly. It will be all foggy. Let me share my last time experience visiting Laitlam. It's not only about how foggy it will be, but the roads are gonna be quite dangerous for you. More 2.2 kilometers. We're taking some of our friends. They're enjoying literally. हाथ पूरा लाल हो गया. Nothing we would know, and it was all foggy. It was not clear. The roads were broken.
It's so dangerous. अभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि यहाँ आना ठीक हुआ कि नहीं.
गाड़ी को फॉलो कर रही हूँ. I guess जो दिख नहीं रहा है ना स्पीड ब्रेकर्स वगैरह, वो गाड़ी को फॉलो कर रही हूँ इसीलिए ताकि दिख जाए स्पीड ब्रेकर्स. So as we were first time traveling to Laitlam and we were having no guides.
What the fuck?
God.
कुछ भी दिख नहीं रहा. क्या लोग मनाली जम्मू एंड कश्मीर लेके ओवर हाइप है. यहाँ पे आके देखो पूरा एडवेंचर हो जाएगा.
We haven't. I can barely talk. Thankfully, some car drivers they helped us to reach Laitlam the last time. ये लोग हमको बोल रहे हैं कि सामने चलो, इनको फॉलो करो.
They are guiding us.
हाँ, they are guiding us.
Left, right.
Right.
Very pretty dangerous. I guess because nothing is visible. कुछ नहीं दिख रहा सामने. कहाँ से जाना ये भी नहीं दिख रहा.
Laitlam देखने का मज़ा तो नहीं आएगा आज. You cannot see the view. मतलब इसी जगह के लिए I was literally the most excited, but
कैमरा भी काम नहीं करेगा. कैमरा कम. So sorry that
We can't
could
see the
not
view.
show you the view.
हमने खुद नहीं दिखाया.
खुद नहीं
क्यों
देखा.
दिखाओ. इधर पे मोमो, भुट्टा, मैगी, फ्राइड राइस, मतलब जो चीज़ चाहिए ना सब मिलता है. इधर 3-4 रेस्टोरेंट भी हैं, मतलब ढाबे स्टाइल रेस्टोरेंट. और फिर गरम गरम भुट्टा जो है ये बहुत स्पेशल है. ड्यू टू रेनी डे ईट हॉट भुट्टा. इट्स मोर गुड. आई कुडंट सी द व्यू, बट अगली बार फिर आएंगे ना. बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो गया और हम भीगे ऐसे फोटोज वगैरह खींच रहे थे. मैं तो पूरा भीग चुका हूँ पूरा.
बहुत देर तक हमने इंतज़ार किया, लेकिन ये जो क्लाउड्स है वो यहाँ से हट नहीं रहा. एंड फाइनली वी गिव अप. शायद कभी फ्यूचर में फिर से आएंगे सिर्फ यही जगह के लिए. फिर से बुलाएगा हमें तो हम ज़रूर आएंगे. एक्चुअली बात यह है कि तुम अगर देखना चाहो भी तुम देख नहीं सकते. ये नहीं चाहेगा तो उसका भी आशीर्वाद होना चाहिए, है ना.
हाँ.
तो अभी हम यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं.
लेकिन एक्सपीरियंस उतना बुरा नहीं था. आई एक्चुअली एंजॉयड बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट ओनली द व्यू, इट्स अबाउट द एक्सपीरियंस ऑल्सो. मतलब आज का जो प्लान था ना, हमको पता था कि वेदर ऐसा होगा, तो इट्स जस्ट मोर लाइक एन एडवेंचर एंड लेस लाइक एन एक्सपीरियंस, यू नो. Been here for half an hour and I found a quite good place to sit, and it's so windy. So when you come here, you can find multiple viewpoints, just like the previous day I've told you about Umiam Lake. You can just take a stop and you can enjoy the view.
The word Laitlam translates to end of the hills in local Khasi language. And you know, Laitlam is approximately 5.6 kilometers away from center point Shillong. This canyon is unique for its enchanting view of the hills and the valleys, and since Meghalaya is known as the abode of the clouds, If you are lucky enough, you might get to see the hide and seek of the clouds.
Right now I'm just standing here and it feels like heaven, and I can see a village in the downside. The name of the village is Rasong, and you need to trek so much to travel to this village. And in this 21st century where we are connected to internet and every other stuffs, that village is not at all connected. That village is remote. They are devoid of any kind of facilities. और वहाँ तक जाने के लिए गाड़ी भी नहीं होता है, रास्ता भी नहीं है. Need to trek.
Rasong village, which is situated at the bottom of Laitloom, is a village of about 300 residents, and they live a very minimal and traditional life. Every day they trek about 3,000 steps up and down to access the market area and other essential things. आप और हम जैसे लोग तो ये सोच भी नहीं सकते.
So right now I'm standing at this place where the villagers made this ropeway to transport goods to and from the village. It's a very nice thing. I went down a little bit and the village is so far down. Right now when I was standing here, I felt like okay, it's not that much down, I can just climb down or climb up. But I just climbed down a little bit, and right now I'm feeling so tired after getting up only this much. And the stairs are not very even. These are not stairs also. These are stones laid down to make a path. So they are very uneven, and the distance and the heights are also not equal. They are very unequal.
I wish I could do the trekking part, but I spent a lot of time here because क्या है ना, एरिया काफ़ी ह्यूज है. सो बेसिकली जल्दी आप ख़त्म नहीं कर पाओगे सब चीज़ें. सो दैट्स वाई वी सैट एंड दैट चिल्ड. And now if I think of trekking, it's a long trek.
I don't know if you can see or not, but few people went down in that village. Now they are coming up. I can literally see like they are not able to get up. They are just taking up one step and resting, taking up one step and then resting. Unfortunately, we have a very high profile camera.
We don't have a high profile camera.
No, unfortunately we have a high profile camera. That so much high profile that it cannot capture this.
An interesting fact about this place is the Bollywood film Rock on Tour was shot in this exact location, and this place is so huge that as far as your eyes can see, you will only be able to see the horizon meeting the sky.
Do you understand English? Acha. Where do you come from? Where do you live? Acha. And not from that village. Okay. So you come every day. What's your local language? Khasi. How do you speak? Give me a demo. Huh? What's that mean? Okay. क्या खुबले को क्या बोलते हैं? अच्छा, थैंक यू को हेलो को क्या बोलते हैं? से अच्छा लो चाय दे दो एक. नहीं, नॉर्मल टी दे दो.
नॉर्मल और भी रेड टी दीदी.
हाँ
रेड टी.
हाँ रेड टी दे दो.
So right now this guy came to us and just sat beside us. He's very sleepy.